Pandesal, tsaka liver spread. Eto na yun. Liver spread na low carb, kaya champs? Subukan natin. So, yun na nga. Usually, ayaw ng mga tao or ng mga kids yung pagkalansa ng liver spread, lalo na kung homemade. Kaya, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung first step natin para mabawasan yung pagkalansa niya or totally ma-eliminate. We need all-purpose cream or pwede kayong gumamit ng unsweetened milk. We need liver. I'm using chicken liver. Let's put it here. And I'll be adding some water. And then, let's just mix it. There you go, champs. Now, let's set it aside. Champs, habang nakababad yung chicken liver natin, piniprepare ko na yung ibang ingredients, which would be the following. Red onions, garlic, black pepper, beef tallow. Alright, let's just saute our aromatics. Onions, garlic. Pinagsabay ko na para hindi kayo nag-iisip kung anong dapat mauna. Let's add our chicken liver. Champs, binanlawan ko lang yan tapos drain. And then, let's cook it. Then, I'll sprinkle some black pepper. Let's mix. This one is done. Let's set it aside. Champs, meron akong pangmalakasang food processor dito at gagamitin natin to para i-finalize ang ating liver spread. Pak, 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 pak. I'll add some all-purpose cream, pero half lang muna. Cocoa aminos. Golden monk fruit. Champs, hindi ganun karaming ilalagay ko kasi meron ng natural sweetness yung aminos. So, alalay lang tayo sa golden monk fruit. Smoked paprika. And then, black pepper again. Last, we'll have Himalayan pink salt. Let's cover it. Let it do the math. I'm thankful for the food processor. Champs, add natin yung remaining all-purpose cream natin. Champs! Tapos na! Plate na natin. Champs, napaka-easy ng recipe natin. Ang sagot sa katanungan kung pwede bang gawin na low-carb ang chicken liver spread or liver spread, the answer to that is yes. Tikman na natin. Creamy pa siya ngayon, no? Mainit-init pa. Yung bread pala na ginamit ko dito, egg white bread mix to, tapos nilagyan ko lang ng butter and garlic. Have a bite? My turn? Alam niyo ba yung almusal ninyo ng tinapay at saka liver spread? Pandesal at saka liver spread. Eto na yun. Masarap ba? Champs, patingin ako ng version niya. Bye!